In this video, we will cover how to perform a SeedCommand hydraulic seed control seed meter calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration. Select the correct product. Press the green check mark. Press the rate button. Press the meter RPM button. Press the calibrate button. Acknowledge the warning. Select the correct drive to calibrate. Press the numeric keypad button and enter a simulated ground speed. Press the numeric keypad button and enter a simulated target rate. Press Start to begin dispensing seed. Once the system is done dispensing seed, press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the number of dispensed seeds. Press Next. The calibration is now complete. Press the green check mark. We have now covered how to perform a SeedCommand hydraulic seed control seed meter calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.